Welcome to the F-Ready app. I'm going to demonstrate the way the F-Ready app works and how we initially it begins. So once you have the app open, it's going to ask for location on your phone. So you just allow it. The first thing you'll see is the instructions, which is welcome to the F-Ready app, F-Ready ASPR Challenge Facebook Lifeline app. Being the first time you are setting up the application, please do the following. Step 1 is log into your Facebook account from this app. Step 2 is select your 3 friends, your 3 Facebook Lifeline buddies. Step 3 is send the 3 Facebook Lifeline buddies an invitation to join your group and agree to be emergency contacts and act as on your behalf in event of emergency. And the final step is create a Facebook group, and the app is ready. So it's ready for use. And here we have a note just letting people know that they can create an emergency preparedness plan and share with their Facebook Lifeline group. And there's a link to that. And once you open that up, you have the downloadable emergency preparedness plans. Okay, so I'm going to go back once that's done, and I'm going to go ahead and log into Facebook. So once you're logged in, you'll be able to, you have to accept, if you're a first-time user, to accept on your privacy settings, to accept the app as accessing your information. And once it's accepted, you're going to get this message, which is to share. Basically, you're going to post a message on your wall. Okay, the next thing is you're going to add your lifelines. So you hit that add lifeline, and you're going to see a list of your friends, and you can either scroll or you can search. So I'm going to add my first lifeline in here. And my second. I'm going to add my third. Okay, once you have your 3 lifelines, the menu changes, so you're going to be able to invite your lifelines. And this will send an invitation to your lifelines to accept being as an agreement to accept to use ASPR Facebook Lifeline as a friend and agree to be an emergency contact and act on my behalf in event on an emergency. The next thing is you're going to create a group. And here it'll send you to a Facebook page where you can create a group, and you can assign it with your 3 lifelines that you just added. After that, you can share your lifelines. Alright, and then now we can move on to the main menu, and this is where we can go from pre-disaster to survivor mode. And in here, so if I'm going to do a pre-disaster as a man, it's going to bring you up a Facebook page where you're going to be able to contact your 3 lifelines, which I chose in the beginning of the installation. And it's going to have a pre-filled message, which is my location. So every time you're going to send that emergency message to your 3 lifelines, it's going to give them an exact pinpoint location of where you're at, and only to those 3 people they will receive it. Once they sense it, you can go back to the disaster ID application. And that is F-Ready.